Hello YouTube, in this video I will show you how to make a bootable Windows Vista USB drive. Before we start we will need a USB flash drive and an internet connection. In this project I must download 3 files, 4 applications and then to do 3 steps. The first file has size 2.7 gigabytes. This is big size for my cheap internet connection. So first I will download the Download Accelerator Manager. Open your browser and type damdownloader.com. Click on Download Free. Install the program. Open the DAM. Click in Add New Download and paste this address. Click on Start Download. The DAM start working. After some time, the file will download it in your device. Do the same for the 2 files and download the 2 files in your device. Open the browser and type 7zip.org. Click on Download. Install the program. Now I'm going to find the X14. Right click, 7zip is creating a new folder with the name Vista. Now I choose the files boot.win and installed.win. Right click, cut. Then I go to folder Vista Sources. Right click, paste, and the 2 files are in the Sources folder. Open the browser and type ImageBurn. Click on Download. Click on a mirror. Click on Installation icon and install the program. After the installation, start the program. Click Image File from File folder. Click on Files Explorer. Choose the file Vista. Advance, bootable disk. Check Make Image Bootable. Boot image, ETFS boot. Platform ID 80x86. Developer ID Microsoft Corporation. Sectors to load. Right click, Properties. Size on disk 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Destination. I choose the folder where I made the ISO. Click Yes, Yes, OK. The ImageBurn start working. The ISO is ready. Now you must download the Rufus. Open the browser and type Rufus. The Rufus page loading. Click to download the latest version. Click on Rufus icon and start the program. Connect the flash drive to USB port. The Rufus recognizes the USB. Select ISO and click Select. Select the Vista ISO who I made. Label Vista. Click Start. OK. The Rufus start working. The USB flash drive is ready.